The best Veetgold turmeric oil for skin glow is there in the market, and most people do not know about it. You have tried everything to glow your skin. You have even tried Veetgold Turmeric Super Whitening Oil to glow your skin. You are not getting result, not because the oil is not good for skin glow, probably because your skin is tough, or probably your skin is very dry, or you are using it the wrong way. There are so many turmeric oils in the market, but one particular oil that Veetgold made helps you to glow your skin even for as long as 24 hours. The moment this oil stays on your skin, it helps to retain your skin moisture. It helps to keep your skin glow intact. Your skin will start to shine. You know what they call glass skin? That is what you get with this oil. Your skin will start to shine from the moment you apply this oil on your skin till the rest of the day. Your skin is out there glowing. As long as you are sure to apply it on a moist skin, a damp skin, your skin will glow like magic. The oil also goes ahead to help lighten your skin at least a little bit, provided you are using it with a very good soap and you are consistent with the care. Guess what about this oil? This oil is also on budget. Is on budget over the Veetgold turmeric oil that you know. This oil is called VeetGold Turmeric Body Oil Gel. This is it. VeetGold Turmeric Body Oil Gel. The oil is so good. The consistency is perfect. The fragrance is very good. The fragrance gives you this sense of relief and peace. By the time you apply it on your skin, you can be rest assured to have a glow over your skin for the rest of the day. Some people say when you apply oil on the day, it fries your skin. Definitely not this oil. Oils that fries your skin during the day are oils that are very light in density. The moment you apply them on your skin, they have no protection over your skin. They are just there, very light, thin. And when you come in contact with the sun, it is very easy for the sun to heat up that oil and heat up your skin. But for this one, it's a soothing gel as well as an oil. I didn't know this oil is this good until I tried it. The consistency is perfect. I know you know Vaseline made their own, but see how this one is. For those of us who are looking for good body oils for our teenagers, this is one oil you can use for your teenager. It's very good. For those of us who are looking for good body oils for our teenagers, or you have a natural skin, you are looking for good oil, this oil is a perfect oil you can try. Try this one if you have tried the Veetgold Super Whitening Turmeric Oil. Try the Veetgold Turmeric Body Oil Gel and let us know what you think. For me, I'm going to score this oil 10 over 10 because this is the exact oil I've been looking for. I didn't know Veetgold have a good product that is called Veetgold Turmeric Body Oil Gel. What everybody knows is the Veetgold Turmeric Oil, Veetgold Turmeric Oil, and that is what is all over the market. But there are other oils that are doing wonderfully well, even above the Veetgold Turmeric Oil. The Veetgold Turmeric Oil is good. The Veetgold Turmeric Oil is actually perfect. It's actually good for your skin brightening and skin glow. But if you want a good skin brightening, if you want a good skin brightening with a long-lasting glow, I think you should do the Veetgold Turmeric Oil Body Gel. Try it out, guys, and let me know what you think. In case you are just meeting me for the first time, please consider subscribing, liking this video, share, and comment down below. I like to know what you think about it. Bye for now.